right, first one of the day for me. New client with his BMW S1000RR. He's just brought this all the way from Essex for a bit of trot love. Didn't realize we did MOTs as well, so we've just had it MOT'd around the back. Now time for me to work my magic. She is hanging. He did ride it a couple of weeks ago in some wet weather. Don't know what they put on the roads nowadays, but it will eat your bike alive. He had trouble even moving it out of the garage this morning. All the brakes were seized on it. So we're gonna do our business on it. Get a bit of trot love going. Get all that exhaust collector box under there all mirror polished up. Get all these wheels cleaned up. See if we can do something. See all that white? That's some corrosion setting in. Look at that disc. We'll sort these discs out. Get these wheels minted, get all that burnt on brake dust. Oh my God, look at that old chain lube. We'll remove all that old gritty chain lube. Get it blow dried, we'll get some fresh lube on it. Like I said, that collector box is looking a bit shabby. We have got our work cut out for us with this. This is gonna get probably one of our full works valets because it's gonna be a good 3 hours worth of work on here. We'll do a 2-stage machine polish on this bodywork. It's got a few marks. Get that all minted up. We'll get this windscreen off, get that polished up, get it looking like it should. More than anything, get some protection on it. So important. Let's get cracking. Give me a few hours. All right, this BMW S1000 is on its final stage. We're just gonna do a 2-stage machine polish on this bodywork. It's got a couple of marks here and there. Looks like he's had a tank bag on it at some point. So we're gonna do a 2-stage machine polish, see if we can get rid of a few of these marks. I've just fitted the windscreen. Look at that, just did a polish on that, come up as new. So we get this paintwork polished, polish up these levers, and this thing is done. There you go, 3.5 hours on the dot. This rather filthy BMW S1000RR has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. Oh my God, what a transformation on this beast. We have done one of our legendary full Monty valets, including the XCP corrosion protection, loads of polishing. All that exhaust has been mirror polished back up. All those discs that were all rusty, we managed to remove all the rust from the edge. Everything's had a nice little extra brushing of XCP. Unfortunately, this chain is knackered, which I have informed the client, but we've lubed it all back up. All your collector box has all been mirror polished. Just did a 2-stage machine polish on this tank. Managed to remove those few marks. Windscreened off. All the levers have been mirror polished. All those calipers, all the rusty discs, everything has been attended to on this bike. Now looking like it has just rolled out of the showroom. Get yours booked in now. We're open 7 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Give us a buzz at 07966 249 963. Absolutely gleaming.